Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk to you about using OpenAI Vision. So in particular I am going to use Azure OpenAI Vision. So this is a multimodal LLM. So we will see how we can upload images and chat with them. And in this demonstration I am not going to upload just a random image of lake or hill or a flower and ask it describe the image. We are going to see more practical use cases. So stay with me. But before we go into the details, the usual request: subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and like the video and share it with others. If you have any question, keep it in the comment and I will try to respond back. And as always, the code will be available in the GitHub. So let's go and see the approach. So over here the approach is, we have an image which we need to upload to the LLM. With Python package base64 we can convert the image into a string of binary. This binary string can then be uploaded to the LLM as a prompt. Now along with the image binary, we can also embed our query. So ChatGPT will understand it and give us the response. Enough of theory. Now let's go into the code. Code is very easy, but this time I am not using any LangChain package. So over here, first of all, I need this few libraries which I have installed. So base64, as I was saying, I would need it to put in convert the image into binary. Then I am initializing my environment variables, initializing my client with Azure OpenAI. So I have the API key for OpenAI Vision 4. Over here I have a function to encode the image. So this is my image path and this is the string that I am getting back after encoding. So when I go to create the prompt, this is going to be my query. And then when I'm passing this query, I have two segments. One is text where my query will sit, and image URL where actually in this particular format we have to pass the image converted into binary, which is base64. So over here you see base64 image is nothing but the variable where I have stored this string after encoding. So we pass it and then in response we will get the output. So first let's see what is the image that I am passing. It's a population graph. So this is the graph where I have the population over the years. So over here from 1901 to 2011 population has been marked. So if I upload this graph, let's see what I will and put in the query along with it, which is what is the population in the year 2011. Let's see what do I get as an output. This is the format in which we have to declutter, I would say, the response, because a lot of information comes along with the response, and this is how I clutter it and get the response text. So let's execute this now, and you can see based on the bar graph you provided, the population in the year 2011 is approximately 1210.2 million, which if I go back to the graph we can check once again, it is 1210.2 million. So over here it is mentioned in million. So this was a perfect analysis of the picture, I would say. Job well done. But there is also another use case, and this is very important one, because most of the time we struggle with this. When we have a PDF document comes in different structures, and they have sometime images, tables and other things embedded, graphs embedded within a page. So what I have done is I have converted the pages of a PDF into images. Now what I will do is I will pass them as image over here. So let's quickly have a glance at the page that I am passing. So over here you can see it's a financial statement available on internet that I have picked up. Over here it has tables embedded within it and text, and that too the text is in 2 different columns. So now it is up to the ChatGPT to understand my question and respond back. Let's see if it is able to do that. So this time let's send the encoding of the image is done. Now I will put this as a question. So I'm asking what are the different SDR bucket current weight and the amount, give me in JSON format. So if we go back to the image, you will see there are 2 tables, SDR basket currency, and over here is SDR basket currency. Over here we have only weight in percent, while we have weight and amount over here. So the expectation is it should give me in JSON format the content of this table. So let's see if it can do that. Now let's run the response decluttering. So you can see it has picked up the right table and given me the output in JSON format, where I am getting 3 columns: currency, weight and amount, Chinese, Euro, Japanese, Pound, US dollar. So this is a perfect conversion and response on the PDF. So now even if we have PDF of different structures, I think we have a way to extract the required information from them. Let's try one more question. So what is the latest value of SDR? So previous question was based on a table, while this is based on the text within the page. So let's see if it can give me a response to that. Well, you can see the response is the document you have provided component this. The weights as of 30 April 2022 along with the amount of each currency. However, the bottom left side of the provider states that this 1 SDR equals to this. So let's go back to the image, and you can see it has extracted the exact required information from the page. So 2022 is 1.34430. So this is the information that we were looking for, and it has extracted it from the textual content. So I think it is doing pretty good job. So this is how we can utilize multimodal large language models to do different kind of things. That's all for today. Thank you.